Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and today for our monthly bug match, I'm joined by none other than Matt Haught, 12 gauge Haught. You are shooting a 12 gauge.
I am.
At a backup gun match.
It is my backup gun.
I'm not sure you have perfect understanding of this concept.
I mean, it's wee little. It fits in a bag, dude.
It is, that's true. And in fact, it's me that taught you doing it.
You didn't have to twist my arm all that.
Not so much. I am in fact also shooting a shotgun myself. I am shooting a Thunder 5. This is the predecessor to the Taurus Judge. 5-shot, 410, and I will be shooting the match with 3-shot, 3-pellet, triple-aught buckshot. So every round I fire, I get 3 pellets coming out, which on our paper targets should be pretty good. Like 1 trigger press, 3 hits, full score, right?
Theoretically.
And on our steel targets, like, I'm sure there's going to be a plate rack here. That's going to be awful, because I have no idea where that thing's actually zeroed. I don't know if you even can zero it. It's like an 1.5 inch rifled bore firing 3 triple-aught buckshot pellets.
Yep.
This is going to be interesting. So you have, what do you have?
The Serbu Super Shorty.
Ah, our favorite. That thing was so much fun that I had to...
Is that what it's called?
Yes. If you saw the previous video I did on the Super Shorty, I was debating at the end, like, it was so fun I might just have to buy it and keep it. And I did, in fact, buy it and keep it. And so now Matt is going to shoot that, and we're going to see if a 2+1 12 gauge is better than a 5 or 10. What do you think?
I mean, we know this thing doesn't pattern the best, so it might be iffy on the smaller steel. But I mean, it's going to put I'm running 9 pellet low recoil buckshot. I bet you I get 3 solid hits on every piece of paper.
I think I can take it. I think the 5 shots in the Thunder 5 are going to be a more significant advantage because you're going to have to reload after 3 shots.
Mm-hmm.
And in theory, most of the time in a bug match, I can mostly clean a stage with 5. Like, there are 5 hits, and I'm good.
And I wish that we had a side saddle on this gun, but we didn't have time to put it on there, so I had to go for the shell belt, which is a little slower, but yeah, we'll see.
All right, well, we got 4 stages. Let's jump in and see how it goes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by. Move.
Not want to run.
So conveniently, the big 5 designation only applies to a revolver if the barrel is more than 4 inches long. I have like a 1.5 inch barrel and like a 4.5 inch cylinder. Technically, I stay in backup revolver category.
No, I think.
Right. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. You done?
Yep, I'm done. I'm out. I have all of 1/8 of an inch of ejector travel here. Oh, and they're getting stuck. There we go.
Right.
Look, it took you longer to unload the gun than it did to shoot the stage.
All right, so that was a big old fat nothing. Let's see if I can get something on this. I should be able to at least hit those 2 big full-size steel plates.
Good to go?
Yep.
Stand by.
I think that's it. I hit something. I thought I heard something.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready?
I am.
Stand by.
Is there no one else? Is there no one else?
Slide trigger. Bag it.
All right, so 9 headshots.
I mean, his friends may get me in a rush, but not before I turn his head into a canoe.
What was time?
4.
Your pattern did open up here.
How are you supposed to?
Yeah. And that was the good, that was as good a buck as you could get without going flight control. So, you probably ought to send that barrel to like Vancomp or something.
Paper, I have an actual chance at this one. Like, we're gonna make a lot of hits on this guy. It's paper, it's close, I got shoot throughs. My day has come.
How many?
I am ready.
Stand by.
That's it. 5 rounds.
Makes a J-frame look serviceable.
Yes, it does. I mean, compared to this, the J-frame is serviceable.
All right. Range is clear. 3 seconds.
Oh,
So to speak.
3.97. That rounds to 3 for bug match scoring. All right, so that's nice and solid. That's barely clean. I managed to not even clean a paper target with a shotgun. Ugh,
Damn.
that's pathetic.
2 points. And 3 points.
No, wait. Oh, that's a staple, so. I mean, I guess I should have maybe suspected that a Thunder 5 was not going to be a super effective gun. All right, shooter ready. Stand by. All right, if you're finished. All right, so I got some steel here. I got some paper, but the paper is like beyond the effective range of this gun, I think. I have to make the first shot from the box here and then the rest through the port in that window. Sure.
I mean, when you're ready. Shooter is ready. Stand by.
I hit that thing! I saw the dirt puffs.
Yeah, all around the
I
target.
saw the dirt puffs on that. My spread is, in fact, substantially bigger than the size of the target.
Yeah, go ahead, unload, show me clear.
Holy cow, that is a disaster.
No, I know you didn't.
But you did hit one.
I hit something.
On the first shot, you hit something. I think that was the only thing you hit.
I'm pretty confident that that would only be one of the pellets.
Yes. I saw a lot of stuff fly there. I see clear. Range is safe. 10 seconds. Maybe. Let's see.
No, I don't think we're going to need any tape at all. Wait.
What? Oh!
1 point.
Oh no! We just forgot to tape that one from the
No,
last guy.
I don't care. I'm taking it. That did not go as planned for me, anyway. I think maybe it didn't go as you planned either, but it went better than
It
you.
kind of went better than I planned in some ways.
You were hammering stuff with that super shorty.
Once I figured out it shoots about 3 feet high.
I mean, it only has one sight.
Yeah, and you got to bury it. Like if normally I'm looking to see the bead sitting on top of the flat part of the receiver. No, I need to like barely see the top edge of that front sight in the receiver, and then I'll probably hit roughly what I'm aiming at.
You did pretty well, all things considered.
Once I figured out, you just got to shoot them in the crotch. You know.
Some people go for that as their default.
Yeah.
I had a complete disaster. It was honestly what made me feel a little bit better was that very last stage where we were close. We had paper targets with all dirt behind them where I could clearly see it, and I saw my pellet impacts. I had a clean hold on the paper target, and I had 3 impacts like
Yeah,
this.
you were like bracketing
Like
that thing.
8-foot diameter.
I've seen donut of death with conventional buckshot before, where it hits all those 9 pellets go all the way around everything except what you wanted to hit. I've never seen a triangle of death before.
That's like the triangle of survivable life.
Yeah, that's the triangle of scare them a little bit and hit the old lady down the street.
Yeah, because 3 shot, I think it was.
Yeah, 3 triple buck pellets.
Yeah, 2 shots. I had 1 shot on each target, and I got a grand total of 1 point.
Well, and you had the 3 steel up front, and you hit 1 with 1 pellet.
1 pellet, yes.
Yeah, I mean, it was just. Yeah. I would go so far as to say that using that as a defensive tool would be irresponsible.
I would completely agree, because you will be able to get hits at about this range.
Yeah, if you screw it into the rear, it'd work pretty well.
Anything really beyond that, you are unable to control the end destination of a lot of the stuff coming out of the muzzle.
Pretty much everything you launch out of that is to whom it may concern. Yeah. And that's not good. It's fun to do it out here when you're laughing at it. I would never, ever, ever want to use that for a serious life-saving tool.
Oh, good Lord, no. To be honest, I'm kind of impressed that it made it through 20 rounds in 4 stages.
Yes. It did not seem terribly well built.
No, it's not very well built. The safety was starting to unscrew itself.
You're not supposed to be able to turn the cylinder while it's locked up.
I mean, it locks up when the hammer's cocked, which is more important, but you don't really want it to be loose any time.
No. The whole thing looks like cast pot metal.
It probably is. The shell's almost always stuck in the cylinder.
It's got an ejection throw of about this.
It's about 1/8 of an inch ejector rod travel, and then it's the trick. Then is you find the loosest shell, pull it out by hand, flip it around, and use the rim to pull it. It took me 4 stages to figure that trick out, but I finally got that one. So, well, there you go, guys. Congratulations.
Well, thank you.
You had a lot of fun, and it was super fun watching you obliterate the stages.
One of the things I noticed. And I've got a lot of experience with 870s. I shoot 870s by preference most of the time for pump guns. This thing hung up several times. And I think what's happening is, the first stage it wasn't terribly well lubed. I put some oil on it and it worked better. But I think what happens is that vertical foregrip is, I'm running it so hard and fast that it's bending the action bars and tensioning it up and making me short stroking.
I think that is what was happening. Yeah.
So my desire to ever own one of these has... Yeah.
Well,
it is cool.
Fortunately, it's mine, and I'm going to keep it. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.